this video is so about how to use command mirror in AutoCAD. Mirror command is used for create image of object in AutoCAD by select the object and use the mirror icon in modify panel. Or we can use shortcut MI instead of mirror icon. And how to use command mirror in AutoCAD. First select the object to mirror. We can use command mirror by pressing the mirror icon on modify panel. First click on the mirror icon, then click on specify first point and second point. We can click yes to erase the source object. And now we got a new object. Now we move to another method to use command mirror by using shortcut MI instead of mirror icon. Click on first point and second point. We internal to not erase the source object. And now we move to prevent AutoCAD from mirroring text. And first we create a text by using shortcut MT. And then select that text. Then we use command mirror and we will cause the text to be mirror. It means like become unreadable. And we need to copy the text first. And we check and change the mirror text by using command mirror text. If we see that the mirror text is set 1, it means like you need to change to 0. Let me start mirror the text again. We click yes or type Y to press enter to retain the original object. It means like erase them. And if we click no or un, it means like we not erase the original object.